Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to look at the Vayepro stovetop griddle. Now, when I say stovetop, this will work on both a gas or electric stovetop, and this will even work in an outside grill if you want to put it on your grill and cook there as well. Now, some of the things that I think are outstanding about this is, first of all, its construction. It's all aluminum, so it's very lightweight, easy to actually handle. I love the handles. And by the way, when you get it, you're going to have to put the handles on yourself, but it's very simple, just 2 screws on each side, and they give you 1 extra screw in case you lose one. Now, as far as the non-stick surface, it's going to be ceramic coated, so that means it is non-PTFE or PFOA. On top of everything else, this thing is dishwasher safe, so you can throw it in the dishwasher or use a wet sponge and a little soap and clean it. Just do not use any type of metal abrasive like scratch pads, and do not use any metal utensils at all. Use only plastic or wood on the actual unit, dishwasher, or a sponge, and it will last a long time and you will not damage the actual coating. Now, at 17 inches wide, this will actually accommodate 2 burners on top of a stovetop. So that's, a very good size. You can do an awful lot with it. So when you get this, you're going to basically just get it in a box. Like I said, you're going to put the handles on. You're going to get a couple of little sheets here. One is going to talk about warranty, and the other sheet is just basically going to reiterate what I just told you a few minutes ago about the utensils and the cleaning. It's going to say use wood or other non-metal utensils when cooking. Clean with a soft sponge. Do not use metal or steel wool. They will damage the non-stick surface and leave scratches. Same thing I told you a few minutes ago. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and try a little cooking on it and see how well it actually works. So there you go. You saw how well it actually cooks and how even it actually cooks. And believe it or not, with that aluminum, it spreads that heat all the way across, so you can cook a lot of bacon really quickly and without making a lot of mess. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I think it's bulletproof. I love all the thought that went into this. I even love the fact that they put waffle on the back, which makes it distribute the heat very evenly. So if you are looking for a really good portable griddle top to use on your stove or out in your grill, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.